Good morning, traders. Welcome to this morning live stream as usual. So today we're gonna continue reviewing fundednext.com, which is one of the best prop firm in the industry, right? So today we're gonna review FundedNext by trying to pass a challenge. I'm gonna show you the challenge that I chose, and we're gonna trade the market as well. We're gonna trade gold and GBP GPY. I'm gonna show you my view of the market, my current trade as well, and yes, that's pretty much it. So welcome, traders. We have an active trade on gold here. So you can see my entry, my stop. It's running about 100 pip in profit right now. So we will come back to that. I will start by showing you the myfundednext.com website, fundednext.com website, sorry guys. So this is their website. I find it pretty clean, and when we comes to the plans, they said here that the Stellar Challenge is the most popular one model. So personally, I choose, and we got a Stellar One Step Challenge account. We can see here that you have the choice between a $6,000 account into a 200,000 account. So we can see that the fees for a 6K account is $65, and for a 200K account is $1,099. So I choose the Stellar model account because news trading is our allowed. So that's mean we don't have to close the trade every news and reopen it after the news. I can hold my trade during the news, which is pretty good for me as a swing trader. The balance based drawdown as well is very good. We need to achieve a 10% profit target. So you need to make 10% profit without losing 6% global, and you have a 3% daily maximum daily loss. All right. So this is the challenge that we're gonna trade, and that we are trading for now 4 trading days. And yeah, so when you come to the Funded Next website, if you want to buy a challenge, you need to log in. So on top of the page, right, you can see the login button right here. So I click on it, and it's logging me automatically, but you can if you are not an active client, you need to create an account or log in by yourself. So when you come here into the dashboard, you can see your account or your challenge that you're trying to pass. For me, it's the 15K Stellar One Step Challenge. So you click here at the right of the page on dashboard. All right. So here's the dashboard when you have a My Funded Next challenge. So you can see here it's the stats of the account. So you can see the balance here. I'm down $126, as you can see, and this is drawdown. The drawdown with your active trade. So my trade are running in profit. So we have zero drawdown showing here. we are currently on our seventh day of trading, which I trade only 3 day on that. And here you can see your trading objective as well. So my maximum daily loss limit will be $600 out of $450 normally, but because we made profit yesterday, the daily loss limit it's increased. Overall loss limit permitted is $957 because we have active trade running right now. I will show you that after. Um, then the minimum day trading, they are already passed because it's my seventh day, but I'm trading only for 3 days on that, and the profit target is $1,500. It's ongoing, as you can see. So this is pretty much it about the trading platform and everything. Um, then after that you can come here. I choose a MT5 account. So when you click here in the option that we can see here to the on the left on the page, uh, you can click on platform MT5 web terminal, and it's logging me automatically as well. So we can see that I am running $200 in profit on that trade. Um, and I will explain you the entry of yesterday that we took. So that trade, if I close it right now, it's gonna bring us to profit in the account into profit. But I'm aiming gold going way more to the upside this morning. So I will show you that as well, guys. So I am on trading view right now. Me as a trader, I'm analyzing my chart on trading view, which is I think is the best platform on the market to analyze the charts. And I'm coming after when I have a trade to take or manage my trade, when I have to manage my trade, moving my stop loss, entering a trade, closing a trade. We will start and managing our trade on the MT5 web terminal platform of my funding next of my funding next, sorry, it's not my funding next. I'm always saying my funding next, but it's fundingnext.com. So that's pretty much it. We can see that gold is rising a little bit again. I will show you my analysis. We took long position yesterday around 2,674 dollar. I will show you my entry. So if we're looking on the 4 hour time frame, okay, I will remove all my indicator so we can look at the biggest time frame. So we took long, yes, in the past week because on the fact that we're coming from impulsive, corrective, impulsive, corrective. So we are uptrending right now, and the key level that I think we're gonna come back on gold is $2,720. Okay, this is the key level. So since we are uptrending right here and we made clear higher high and lower highs, if I'm looking here and I'm drawing my Fibonacci, I'm using my tool Fibonacci at the left of the page right here. You can see fib retracement. Um, I draw my fibs from the past impulsive, and you can see that we have in the past a good reaction right here on the 61.8. This is why we have taken long in the past week. I think from this level and from this level that we have closed it already, but the bias is still bullish, you know. The bias is still a long on gold until we're gonna reach the level of 2.7 on $720. So From this fib, we can have our first target around the 61.8, which is $2.708. Okay, this will be our first target, and second target will be here. So I will mark it. We can have three target on that trade. First target will be here, second target will be here with the fibs, and third target will be here. Okay, this will be our three target. So if I'm looking as, just withdraw that, I put my second target on the extension of the 6100 0.618 here, because this is the past impulsive and we did not reach the 0.618 yet. So I think we can, it's a sorry, it's a possibility for us to come back to this level. Okay, maybe this morning, maybe tomorrow, maybe another day. We never know how the market is reacting and moving for sure, but we are able to make some prediction from that. So we can see that we bounce on our 50 EMA right here with structure area as well. This is where the original idea it's coming from. Okay, and when we come on the 30-minute time frame, yesterday we made clear lower high, we made clear higher lows right here and higher high. So at this moment, when we create and we broke that level yesterday to the upside and created higher high, this is where I was looking to going long. So we trying fibs and we hit the 50% of Fibonacci combined with the 61.8 here. If we're looking on the 50-minute time frame, big price action here from the 61.8. This is the level of the 61.8 and 78.6. So this is where I was looking to go long, right? So big price action, another beautiful price action. So we did go long yesterday. After this price action, stop were down the past low of the market, which is $2.666, around that. And our first target is there for a 3.4 risk reward ratio. With the second target, it's give us a 5.2 risk reward ratio. And with the last target, it's give us a 470 pip for a 6.8 risk reward ratio, which is pretty good. So we took our long position here, stop there. For example, we are targeting first 230 pips. So every first thing that I'm looking when it's come to starting a session, because we are gonna start, or we are already in the New York session, right? So I'm coming into myfixbook.com, and this is really, really important, guys, that you always look at the news, because when we have high impact news in the market, it will impact the market a lot. Okay, we can have a lot of manipulation, some wicks to the upside, wicks to the downside. We never know. Okay, so we want to secure our trade. We want to minimize the risk. So when it's come to US dollar this morning, we can see that's clearly in 10 minutes we have high impact news on US. We have the core inflation rates, we have the CPI, we have the inflation rate, which is they expecting a higher interest rate than the previous one. And we have a big news for the US as well, which is the CPI. Okay, so these are big news, guys, coming in 10 minutes. So we have good position running for the moment. If we're looking, we are running 100 pip around. We were running 150 pips. So it will be important to secure our trade on that, guys. So what I'm gonna look for, maybe another entry or something like that. I will mark our first entry here. This is our first entry, okay? Because we have the news coming, I'm gonna secure the trade and change stop loss and move it to break even. So 2.6. We can see that we already have a lot of movement in the market right now. 2.673 37. So sorry. So my trade is running $1,085 around, and we just secure it by putting our stop loss at break even, because the market gonna have a lot of volatility in a couple of minutes, and it will be very important to secure the trade. Seven minutes before the news. So I'm drawing fibs from the past impulsive. Yeah, so I'm drawing a fib from the past impulsive wave. And we can see that we have a good reaction on the 38.6 of Fibonacci, which does mean that if we are reacting from the 38.6, we can see the market going furthermore to the upside. We already have a reaction on the market right now. So what I would like to see, guys, is a reaction on the 38.6. That's mean that the liquidity to the upside is very high when we have trouble to pass the 38.6. Then boom, a push 100 pip to the upside will be very very good. Let's see how the market gonna react. Would be interesting to see how the market gonna react on the 38.6. We have 3 minutes left before the news, which is when it's come to a news trading, guys, the market can do whatever you want. Don't forget that. I'm just modifying some personal trade on the account. So if we breach the 38.6 to the downside, I will maybe look for an entry on the 61.8. Will be interesting, guys. We can draw a trend line as well. I'm not using trend line that pretty much, but it can be useful as well to determine where the market gonna broke or not. So okay, if we have first reaction to the downside with a wick around, I'm gonna entering another position on the trade. 1 minute left, guys. We have core inflation rate, CPI, SA, inflation rate, CPI, uh, and this one is not gonna make a big change, but yeah, 1 minute left. Let's look how the market gonna react on that. We have our position here. Stop loss is at break even. Thirty-six, 10 second around. Sometimes it does make big movement. As you can see, boom, Market pushing to the upside, guys. This is the first reaction. Running $300 in profit. I can modify nothing on the platform. I don't know what is this shit. Order to close. The fuck is that? What the fuck is that, bro? What the fuck is that, bro? I think we can't close positions during a news on my fund the next account, which is ridicule. This is ridicule, man. I can't close any of my position right now. I don't know what the fuck is that. Okay, I've been able to close one at least. I can't close this one. I think I misclicked something, bro. Modify, delete. The fuck is that, bro? Oh, at least I've been able to close one position, guys. But you can see, we saw, we saw it. I'm not sure what is that about. Um, So we closed our position at 92, which is pretty good in the upside. So we saw a news yesterday together here, which pushed to the upside right at the start and then closed with the engulfing candle of 100 pips. So it is what is gonna happen right now. Let's see if we're gonna continue to raise or if we're gonna continue to raise or if we're gonna go more future to the downside. But we take a good trade this morning. It's closed my fucking trade in the lowest possible, which is fucking shit. So we are up 1.1% in 3 days of trading. I'm not that much satisfied for real. Okay, guys, so I need to come back 5 minutes. Let me 5 minutes, and please by this time just tell me what is your view on gold. Did you have another view than me? Please let me know in the chat, guys, and I'm coming back in 5 minutes max. So we back. We are back. So we are up 1.1%, $164, adding 9% more. I'd like to see this morning the trade more pushing up to the upside, but it's thing that can happen. The market doing pretty much its thing. Okay, so for pound yen, it will be interesting to look at that, guys. We are done trending right now on pound yen because we are creating lower highs and lower low, as you can see, impulsive to the downside, corrective wave to the upside, impulsive corrective. You can see that we correct to the 61.8 on that corrective right here. If we're looking at this one as well, 61.8 as well. So here, fibs from the past impulsive 61.8. So what I will look to go short on pound yen is a comeback into this area around 193 to take a short for another movement to the downside and targeting 199, right? So we will take short like that, short on the 61, stop middle 78, take profit of 400 pip to the downside. Gold is still ranging. So on gold, if we're coming back, so now the fib have changed, but if we're coming back to the 61.8, it will be a good trade, but we didn't pass the 38.2 dog, so we can see the market raise. I would like to see gold in the upside, and I'm still involved in the trade. Let's do this. Yeah. If we close above the past high right here, I will look for a close, pull back, then take another position to go long. So we have two two options. Close above, pull back on the high, and going along, or a pullback into around the 61.8 to going along. We're still bullish. Uh, we're still bullish on that. We draw that to not confuse everybody. Let's look at the gold closure together. After the closure, I'm gonna leave, going to the gym. But this pretty much for pound yen. What we did, yeah, USD CAD falling. These crypto are bumping, bro. So we have 11 minutes left to create a higher high on gold, which will be pretty good. Still 200 pip until the original target. 200 pip left to reach our original target, which is pretty good. Oy, sorry, guys. Always take me a couple of hours to wake up good. So it's been a while since I didn't see a straight candle from a CPI or an inflation rate. We don't have any other red news for this morning of or today. Sorry, which is good for us. So today was a good trading day. We took good trade on gold. You can see the first one plus 1039 pips, 139 pips, and second position 154 pip for a total of 2% gain, which bring us into profit into our account. If we come to the dashboard, we can see coming back 1.1%. We can see it are 7 trading days, but when I we took the challenge, I didn't trade for the couple first day. So that pretty much it, guys. I will see you. Yeah, so $167 profit, 1.1%. Pretty pretty good, pretty good. So we are looking for this candle to close above the past high of the market. If we close above, as I said previously, a closure above the past high will result for me to wait for a pullback through this level to take another long position and targeting, as we see in the beginning of the live stream, other target to the upside, because we are uptrending right now on gold, which does mean we're gonna look to go long until we making lower low and higher low. So right now we still making higher highs and lower highs, which result in a a bullish perspective. So our trade is closed, guys. I see we have new people in the room. Hi guys, thanks for joining. So this is the trade of today. Y'all missed it, but no problem, guys. For new people, we bought it for 2% gains. We bought it around 2006, around 2674. We bought it, and we sold after for a couple of profits. So maybe we're gonna see the market going higher in the next days, guys. And that's pretty much it for today. Uh, we're looking for a close above this high if we want to take another long. And that's it, guys. It was our third live stream of the day. Tomorrow will be our last live stream of the week. So at 8 a.m. New York time for the start of the New York session, I will be here trading the Forex market and trying to pass this funding next stellar one step challenge, guys. So have a great end of the trading days. I will see you tomorrow in our next stream at 8 a.m. Bye bye.